Some recipes are more than just food, they are memories served on a plate. Today I am sharing our family's traditional green masala egg chicken fry, a recipe lovingly passed down through generations. It's simple, flavorful, and made with fresh ingredients that bring everyone together. To make this delicious recipe, first grind together coriander, 1 lovely chopped onion, 4 to 5 mint leaves, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon white sesame seed, 1 teaspoon poppy seed, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 3 to 4 cloves, 3 green cardamoms, 1/8 cinnamon stick, half teaspoon mustard seed, a little water. Grind everything into a smooth green masala paste. In a bowl, take 500 grams of bone-in or boneless chicken. Add the freshly prepared green masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon salt or as per your taste. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar. Mix everything really well so that every piece of chicken is coated. Cover and let it marinate for 30 to 45 minutes. The longer it marinates, the richer the flavor. Next, in a pan, add the marinated chicken and cook until the green masala turns thick. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl, add a pinch of salt, beat the eggs until smooth. Heat oil in a pan and now dip the cooked chicken into the egg mixture and fry on a low flame, turning the pieces occasionally until they are beautifully roasted with a golden brown crust on all sides. And that's it. Your aromatic green masala egg chicken fry is now ready to serve. If this recipe reminds you of your mother and grandmother cooking, let me know in the comments. Serve this chicken hot with chapati, Neer Dosa or a plate of hot steamed rice. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more authentic family recipes. Happy cooking!